Okay, there were quite a few errors when I tried to, solve this. The first error is, when using the output, you can write output of 0 because it returns in the form of a list. So this was one. There will be many. Okay, so let's just, I don't know. We have not run this. Again, sorry for this. Python, Flappy words. There will be errors, I think, and I hope. Why is it not loading? Yeah, it's loading. Cool. Okay, the neat. Okay, first of all, neat. Okay, we have to import its state. We have not imported neat, and we are using the neat algorithm. There you go. One error done. Okay, let's see another one. Config path is not defined. We have defined the whole thing, and now we are facing some errors. Okay, we don't have the the. There you go. Let's see. Okay, p is not defined. That was because it was populate, not p. There you go. One more time. Config is not defined. Okay, 136. So we are jumping on 136. So it's config, not it's config file. One more silly mistake. X1 is not defined. Where it is on line 24. Where is line 24? And there you go. Okay, sorry for this. We have self.x is self.x. I don't know why I wrote 1. Let's try this again. Enumeration. Wow. 162. It's enumerate. Enumerate. Saving this. Let's do this time. Okay, it's generations of x. Okay, I know this. 164. Generation of x dot fitness. One more time. Okay, I got this one. 166. We have to like pass it as a single function. We can't pass it individually. That's why we are getting that error. So one more time. There you go. Save. Let's try this again. Okay, bird object is not defined. No problem. 181. Bird object. Okay, there you go. It's not bird object. Now we have changed this to bird. So yeah, and here also I think we'll face the same error. So I'm changing this to bird, and I don't know if there are some others. We will encounter it. Saving this again. Let's run. Okay, we are on line 89. So just a minute. We are almost there. At least that's what I think. Okay, so this is what happens when our like it's float, right? So we have to convert this to an integer. So let's call this int. There you go, and here as well. So int, and there you go. I'm saving this. Let's run this. Okay. Okay. Sorry for this. It's not like this. Okay, what we can do is that int. We can convert this part to you know integer because it's in float and it's not supported. So that's why I need to convert this. That's no big deal. Int, and here we go. Int, and here we go. Okay, fine. Let's try this one more time. Okay, what it is? Okay, I forgot the parenthesis in 206 line. Let me just jump in 206. So there you go. Just a minute. If bird dot current image, but what? So I need to do something over here as well. That what it is? It's the y. So it's basically dealing with the height, right? So if I'm giving get height, and if I'm saving this thing, let's try this. Okay, fine, we have, but it's only like we are only getting the one iteration. Now why is that? We need it's stopping. So we need to do that. I'll do that, and I'll get back to you. It will take some time, that's why it's not stopping as well, you see. Okay, so I think I'll do something and I'll get back to you in the next video.